Hello guys, this is Noel from the Group B. Today we're shooting a 1984 911 that's been backdated to 1973 RSR ST spec. The body has been fully custom made by John Esposito out in California. All metal, wide body, front fenders, rear quarters, everything molded. Truly a work of art. If you know who he is, then you know. If you don't know who he is, you should definitely check out his shop and some of his past work. The engine, I will show you briefly. I'll show you in a little bit the interior and the engine. And we have, a file with over 300 pages worth of documentation. Every single thing that's been done to the car has been documented and it's available. We'll go ahead and show you a little bit of the engine now. It is a 3.2 fully rebuilt by TLG. Well, get this opened. Here we go. So this is the original 3.2 then made to the 73 RSR spec. So it's been turned back. The carburetor has got twin PMOs, beautifully executed. We have pictures, all the information of all the engine work. It is a twin spark, twin ignition, MSD ignition car. It was Alan Faragala, I hope I'm saying his name right, who's been known to be the maestro of these engine builds. He's the one that did the engine. Also, tons of pictures, everything documented, receipts, invoices. TLG was a shop that actually assembled the car, that put together the engine, had the body. John Esposito was a full tear down, bare metal rotisserie essentially for the paint job. Then he did the fenders and the quarters, all the metal work. Then the car was fully dynamited, so it's actually fairly quiet. Brand new carpet was installed, and then the reupholstering was also done by a local shop. It has Mercedes red leather that was used. All right, I will be doing now a driving video. We'll have a little bit of city driving and some highway. Oh. Underneath the front, it's also beautiful here. It has the correct tools for 73 RSR, together with a fire extinguisher and this filler with the extended tank is also very, very cool. All the plating on the car looks great. Car has some cam work. It starts every time. Never skipped a beat. We'll go for a quick drive now. All right guys, here we are today doing a little city driving and some highway on our 88 backdate. So essentially a 73 RSR tribute. It is extremely compliant, easy to drive, truly a beautiful car. Has a Weevo shifter, which helps a lot, even though this is a fully freshly rebuilt 915. Easy peasy, shifts super easy, no need to double clutch or help it, but we always do anyways. 915s need some love. We'll now do an open throttle, you know, second, third, a little bit of fourth, so you guys see this motor at work. A blast. This car is so much fun to drive. Currently on 4 brand new, freshly installed Michelin Pilot Sports, the C4Ss. Sorry, the 4Ss. And we're back sitting on traffic.